And apart from this, the Government of India and REW, Renewable Energy Department, is trying to give a thrust to the fraternity to use products which are environmental friendly, like solar lighting, solar heating systems, and then solar based power generation, and then which helps you in the facade treatment, in the treatment of interiors. Now we have devised a new technology in which the glass facades are being used to generate power, which will help you in using it in the corridors, in the washrooms, and then hence every, I can say, every watt saved is every watt earned, because India as a country is now facing power crisis. So let's look at solar, because solar is available in the country which is abundance. Let us tap the energy which is given by the God, and then let us utilize it in the best of our ability. Next, let us conserve water. We are trying to educate the large clientele group. When we do the master planning for any corporate houses, we say let us use recycled water, which can be used for landscape, which will help conserve water. These are all the methods which I as an architect would like to thrust upon all the clients, and then think in larger perspective in saving water and then conservation of energy also. Let us not even cut wood. Let us use bagasse, which is a sugarcane waste which is being converted into bagasse boards, which are 100% wood free. We have designed some buildings in central government like Manage, where we have designed the entire project which is wood based, which is non-wood based, sorry, I am correcting myself, which is non-wood based. The entire project is non-wood based, where we have not even used a single piece of wood. We have used bagasse based for the entire project, and we have won laurels for it. I as an architect, I have won Indira Gandhi Sadbhavana Award, Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award, the Jewel of India Award for designing projects, which has given me laurels, because I am an architect who's eco-friendly. I believe in being eco-friendly and contribute a bit to the society, not in the commercial terms, but as a well-wisher and a good human. First, let's all think of our country, and let's be patriotic to our nation, as we ourselves should contribute not only in the economic growth, but also let us also look at the environment aspects.